Okay, so let's take a look at how you can set up the app sheet and also import some sample data into app sheet so that you can get to work with app sheets app, right? So first thing, go to appsheet.com, and here at the top you will be able to sign in. So it has multiple sign up options, so you can use your Gmail ID, and then once logged in you will find page like this. Now here you see, by default you don't have any app, right? So it will tempt you to use templates. Another option is first create the database and then push for application. So if you click on database, it will show up like this. So if we click on apps and then explore the templates, because we want to create a sample app so that we can test how the app sheet works, right? So I will explore the templates. It will open in a new tab. Here you can see you can type in the topic for which you are searching for template. You will also see them and you can scroll. So survey, Kanban board, management, onboarding, booking, then family assets, attendance, then pickup, client expense, then trackers, right? And all the available set of options. Now once we scroll, you will notice that there are a few more apps that comes up: calendar, contact, and so on. So you can pick one of the template here. Can I explore this? Click on that. It will show up like this with the mobile view on the right. And you have to let it load. You can also download the app sheets app and then able to test on your own phone. Here you see this contact manager has app like this. Let's try and add new entry. Show you the fields: birthday, social media, and save that. Then that will appear like this. And if you click on it, it will show the details of that user here, right? And then if you click here, you will also find some options like list, map, then birthdays, contact activity, then about, gallery, and so on, right? Currently it uses your Gmail ID to log into this such type of app. So if you want to customize this, you can always click on copy and customize, and here you can even change the name for that app, right? So instead of contacts, let's say I give it G contacts as name, Google Contacts, right? Category is customer engagement. If you want to change that to something else, you can do so. I will just click copy app. Now it will try and create an app into your app sheets dashboard, and it will display it there as G contacts. On the settings and options, you would be able to see it over there as well, and it will also load it, right? Now notice that it is showing you the app. You can customize it the way you want. For example, let's say if it had section like view data, you can do so. You can also apply the theme, then explore the app. On the left hand side you will find those settings, data, so you can view the data here, right? In people you will find birthdays and time to contact. Then there are also views. Here you can choose card view, can choose list, form, dashboard view, and so on, right? Then there are also automation, right? And then few things like, let's say, security, settings, manage, and learn, right? So these are some settings that you can check out. Right, now let's go back to data. If I click on this not deployed, you will go back to the page where you have option for deployment. You can see that not ready to deploy, considering you need app description, standard menu design, then account status. Your account needs to have upgraded into paid in order to deploy this, which is fine. We don't want to deploy in the first place, considering we are running the free account, right? You can also preview this app as particular user and you can apply those settings. You can also change the view to tablet or phone, right? And there is also top option to switch to legacy editor, right? So as you can see, if I go here and refresh, it should show me Gcontacts as one of the apps here, right? So pretty much we managed to get the prototype status. We can't release it, so we are limited on that. Then in database you won't find anything, considering this is copy database, so it will be contained within our apps, right? So finally can also take a look at few things like actions. We didn't add any actions here, but here you will notice that there is people list which contains actions. So let's say for add, you will find the display name, the plus as action icon, and let's say what behavior it allows you. So it will ask you if this is true, then it will not give any message, but it will get you to add the new user, right? So like this, it kind of allows you to new users into the app with this plus, right? Now point comes to these two, same behavior will be applied there. Then there is list contain. You can also see it has its own set of setting, right? So pretty much we have learned how to start from Google Appsheet's initial action of creating a free account, then logging in with your Gmail ID so that it will be mapped to that email. Now considering this is free account, we are limited to few operations, like we can't release this unless we upgrade. So we will have that particular APK or any other app store export possible when we upgrade, right? So you get the idea how to create your sample app with Google Appsheet.